The KSAMC, in partnership with the Carnival Secretariat, have held 2 interagency meetings with Carnival Jamaica stakeholders. Discussions focus on the necessary approval for road marches and Juve events, including solid waste management arrangement. It was also agreed that the Juve promoters must engage water trucks to wash away paint as the parade progresses. The KSAMC received all ban routes and all amusement license application from Exodus, Yardmas, and Genex Ban. These applications are currently under review by the City Engineer Officer, Disaster Management Unit, and the Revenue Team to ensure compliance. The KSAMC Public Relations Unit, along with the review team, have produced a flyer and video to guide promoters of watch parties. We are reminding all watch party and soca party promoters that their requirements including insurance and fire certificate, site layout, the Kings and St. Andrew Health Department no objection letter if food is being served. It's April 11th, I'm sorry. Thank you, CEO. Additionally, proper arrangement must be in place for waste disposal as they run the risk of their permit not being approved. You know, I think I just need to go read back over it because I don't want the February thing to go, so let me read the correct thing in entirety. We are reminded that all watch party and soca party promoters that they must apply for their amusement license by April 11th, 2025 and provide the necessary requirements including insurance and fire certificates, site layout, the KSA Health Department no objection letter if food is being served. Additionally, proper arrangement must be in place for waste disposal as they run the risk of their permit not being approved. The KSAMC remains committed to working closely with all stakeholders to ensure a successful and well-organized Carnival 2025. Thank you very much.